So I will start with the demonstration of hot potato. This is the interface of hot potatoes. As I said, 5 different platforms are there: JQuiz, JCross, JMix, JMatch, and JCloze. If you have created all exercises by using all these 5 platforms, you can club all exercises together in JMashar. So this one is the 6, that is JMashar, where you can bring all the exercises under one umbrella. So I will start demonstration one by one. I will start with the JCloze. So JCloze is basically, it is for fill in the blanks exercise. I'm starting with the very simple one. So this is the interface of JCloze. The toolbar of that JCloze or all other platforms are having the same toolbar. One or more less tools will be there. This is file. You can create new file, open the already saved files. You can save as, add the reading text. Here you can insert the media files, add the metadata. You can save the files into the standard formats. All these you can edit as usual, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, insert the picture, insert the links. You can insert the HTML tables in this quiz if required. You can insert the media object like video and audios. Again, there is an option. In option, you can configure your quiz. You can bring it left to right. Toolbar option, you can make some tool off, on. All other tools are there. Help as usual. So we'll start with the first exercise, that is JCloze, which is particularly for the fill in the blanks. So I am starting with the title JCloze 1. This is the title I have given. Once I have given the title, I will save this file, that is JC1. It is getting saved into the database file, into the particular folder. So I have saved it. Now in this blank space, your exercise will be there. Now my JCloze exercise will be, I have to insert one video. By reading that video, the learners are going to give the answers, fill in the blanks. So these are the codes, HTML codes for that video I have downloaded already, that I am inputting here, pasting here. I have pasted that video codes at the title. Now my exercise will be like that. After seeing that particular video, the students, the learners are going to answer my questions. This is the fill in the blanks exercise. So the fill in the blanks exercise, I am copying. Already I have that related with that video. I am copying that exercise. I paste it here. Now I am making some words a blank. So the word which you have to make blank or gap, that you have to select that word first, as I have selected here hand, and you have to click on gap. So another window will pop up that will ask what is the clue. You have to give the clue. It is a body part, and is body part. That clue I have given. What are the other ways student can answer that hand in the fill in the blanks? So here my word is small letters. Student can write in capitals, all capitals. Student can write first word capital. Student can write hand only. If you want to add more, you can give it like small hand. So for alternative correct answer I have added, if any student by mistake give one of the option, he will get the score, right? Okay. Now this one gap I have created here. Now second gap I am creating here with this word mask. Again I am clicking on this gap. Now what is the clue? It covers the mouth and nose. That is the clue. How? What are the other ways student can write in all capitals? Student can write in first capital. Student can write mask. Student can write. All right. All these alternative words I have added. Okay. Before going further, I will tell here. This is a delete gap. In this delete gap, this is the delete option. Here in delete option, I can whatever the, if I feel that this option I don't want to keep their hand, I can delete the particular gap. Auto gap also you can provide. If I click on that auto gap option here, it will ask, there are already gaps in the text, you will need to remove, because already I have given the text. If without giving that already gaps, it will ask how many of words after you want in the gap, 5, 7, like that. So that are other options available. So I will stick with these two gaps, manual gaps created. Now my already database file is saved in the folder. Now I am saving this into the web form. I am clicking this export to create a hot potato version 7 web page. When I click this, my exercise will ready. But before that, I want to configure this. I want to configure this exercise. In configuration, this first title instruction, already there, instructions are there. Instruction, whatever you want, you can write here. The exercise name you can change. Keep other exercises as it is. Directly you go to the appearance. In appearance, you can change navigation bar color. This bar color you can change. I will keep that navigation bar color white. Okay. Page background color, I will change background color of the page. I will select the pink. So my background color of the page will be the pink. Title color, I will make title color darker. So this is the title color. Then exercise background color. Exercise background color I have to select. I will select that light. So I have selected yellow one. Link color, I will keep as it is. Visited link color I will keep as it is. Text color I will change. I will go for the black, so it should be easily identifiable. That changes I have made here. Then you go for this timer. For this exercise, how much time you want to allot. You first click on this set time limit for this exercise. 1 minute I have allotted, that is too much. So I will reduce it to the 30 second. So this time allotted is 30 seconds. After time is over, it will prompt your time is over. So that setting you have to do in your timer option. Other options, you directly go to the CGI setting. In CGI setting, you just click this, submit the result through CGI to an email address. The result of the learner will get directly sent to your email address in the paid version of Hot Potato. But here, the student can start the exercise by inputting the roll number. You can change this also. Student can start the exercise by inputting the name. That change you can do here. So I'm clicking this changes, settings, configurations. Okay. All the settings are done. The JCloze exercise is ready. Now I am clicking on this web page form of exercise. It is asking where to save by what name. JC1 is the HTML format. I am saving in output. My exercise gets saved. Now another window will pop up. There you have to click on the view the exercise in my browser. When I click on that exercise in the browser, this will open. Now student will start by inputting the roll number. I have given the roll number. Now student can enter into the exercise. Say this video, the student will see this video. The time is running because I have set 30 seconds. Now that time you have to adjust as per your length of the video, because video length should be less than the whatever the time you have allotted. So I will give here hands and I will give here mask. Time is over. My one option is ready. So I am able to answer only one option, one fill in the blanks. I got the 50%. Check it. So this is the exercise which we have created. By seeing this video, one can view the answer. So this is the JCloze. So very interactively you can create your JCloze exercise. So I'm saving this. Already it is saved. I will go to the next exercise, that is the JMatch. In JMatch exercise, again same toolbar is there, but one more extra toolbar here. Drag and drop type of web exercise will get generated in the web HTML format. That is there. I will tell you that later. So here I will start with the title of the JMatch. I will give the JMatch 1 as the title. In JMatch exercise, as you know, so you have to match the words in the left column with the right column, or sometimes you have to match the word with the picture. Sometimes you have to match the videos with the words. Sometimes you have to match words with the videos. Whatever the combination may be, that combination you can match with the proper right side columns. So how to do this? I can insert anything here. I can insert the audio. I can insert the video. I can insert the picture in any left or right column. But your matching should be proper. So here in left column, I am going to insert. Already I have downloaded that HTML forms of the videos. So this is the code of that video that I am inputting here at the first place. Second, immediately this the matching word for that video is this: user to stop the vehicle. I am copied that. I am pasting it here. Second one is this one. I am copying the code of second video. You might be thinking how these codes are generated. That I will tell you in the quiz. So the second option for this is this. Immediately I am filling the right column. Third video, codes are these. I have copied that code. I am pasting it in the third left column. The matching word will be this. Copy this, paste it here. And last one is the fourth one. The codes for the fourth video are these. I have copied it. I am pasting here. The matching word for this is engages, disengages power between driver and driven. So I am pasting it here. So my exercise is done. I have to save the file. First file saving is database file. That is the JM1, JMatch1. Save is database file is saved. Other setting, you have to go to the configuration. As as I told, you can use the subtitle to your exercise instruction. I'm not changing right now anything here. Directly go to the timer. You have to set the time here. I will set the time here for the depends upon the length of my videos. I am giving the 5 minute or 6 minute time here. So next one is that appearance. If you want to change appearance, I will go for the change navigation toolbar. I will keep the navigation toolbar as this. Okay. Then background, I will go for the darker one now here. This one will be background. Title, I will go for the blue one. It is not visible, so I will change it. I will go for the light color here. So this will be visible, right? Exercise background, I will change to the light color. I will keep it yellow. Then link color I will keep as it is. Text color I will change, that I will make darker. So this is the background. Now go to the CGI, you click on this. Student will enter into the test as usual by roll number. Okay. All settings are done. My exercise is ready. Now I am running this exercise in HTML web form. I am clicking this here. It is asking the name. I will click it. So new window will pop up. Videos will get generated here. I can start by inputting the roll number. I have inputted the roll number here. So I will play. I am the learner. I will see the first video. This is the video regarding the breaks. So I will click on the proper option. So engage user to stop the vehicle. That is the right answer. Then after getting that, I will go to the second video. The second video is related with the user to transmit the power from one shaft to another. That is the Oldham's coupling. So I will stop that. I will play the third video. That is the gears are transmitting the power from one shaft to another. So first option seems to be correct. The learner will learn, see total video and then he will answer. I am clicking immediately because to manage the time, I have to do that. I will run the fourth one. So obviously this is the engage and disengaging member, that is the clutch. So after seeing all videos, I am answering my question. I am checking my answer now. That is the 100% I got. This is the second exercise which we have studied. Now I will come out of that exercise. Save yes. I will go to the next exercise. That is JMix, in which you can form the jumbled words in the sequence. So as usual, you start with the title JMix 1. This is the title I have given. I am writing here word I and my if friend went to picture. So this is the one sentence. Now this sentence, when exercise open, this sentence will come in different form. I have to arrange this in proper form. So what are the alternative sentence? That also you have to do. But while giving the alternative sentence, you remember that all words should be there in the same alphabets. Capital, that case, whatever the case you are using, letter case, small case or capital letters, that you have to follow. Now alternative will be that my friend and I went to picture. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So one more another sentence I have provided here. In this way you can provide 2 or 3 alternative sentence, so that if you make mistake, that will get arranged while solving by the learner. I am saving this database file. This is the JMix. JMix 1. Save it. Database file is saved. Now again, configuration, whatever the exercise subtitle, whatever the instructions you want to do, that you do. Directly go to the appearance, you change the navigation bar. I will keep the navigation bar as I wish. Page background color, I will change the page background color. Okay. Title color, I will change, keep the title color darker. Then exercise background color, I will go for the light color again. This is the background color. Link color, I will not handle. The text color which should be visible, I will go for with this. So these changes I have done. Now so in timing, I will set the time for this exercise. 1 minute is sufficient. And lastly, you have to do this. This is very important. So how student can enter into the test by roll number. So okay, this exercise is ready now. I will go to the, in 2 ways this HTML file can be generated. I will click on the first. It is asking in which form I have to save. Same file name. Should the word I always begin with capital? Yes. Open the exercise. Now this exercise asking me input the roll number, then you will enter. Now these words are arranged in jumble manner. So here I have to arrange this in proper manner. So I will click the I and my friend went to picture. Check. Sorry, my answer is wrong. Again, where I made the mistake, that 2 words will come down. So I and my friend went to picture. Now I will check it is correct. When it is correct, it gives the score of 85. Why not 100? Because I made the mistake once. So your score will get appropriately reduced here. So this is the exercise in one form. Another format of this is drag and drop, in which you can drag and drop the words. So again, it will ask me how student will enter into the exercise. Here you have to only drag the words I and my friend went to picture. Check. Yes, I score 100%. So this is the other form, drag and drop type. You have to drag the words and you have to arrange in the proper format. So this is the JMix, in which jumble words are arranged in proper format. And next one is the JCross, in which you can produce the puzzles. In newspaper, the puzzles will come. That puzzles we call that crosswords. So I will give the title JCross. Very interesting. This is again, I have given the title. After giving the title, I have to click on this grid, create the grid. When I click this create the grid, already I have some words here. That words I am copying. First word is gear. Second word is clutch. Third word is brake. Fourth word is shaft. You have to arrange that words in one below another. Next word is the key. And last word is a engine. Copy paste. Now after adding these words of which crossword I have to form, I can change the maximum grid size. Here I will want to have the 10 by 10 grid. I will select, make that. Here the option is coming, number of words usually in paste depends upon the grid is best is 0. So make the grid. The grid is made here 10 by 10. Now after having that words in the crossword, cross puzzle, you have to add the clues with each word. So you add the clue that is related with the key. Already I have that here. I am adding the clue with the key. It is the supporting machine element. Copy paste. Okay. Then I have to add the clue related with the gear. I will copy this. This is the part with teeth. This is the clue I have added with the gear. Then I will go for the brake. Every time it is asking to save. Stop the moving object. That is the clue I want to add with the brake. I have added that. Then clutch. For clutch, my clue is engages and disengages the power between driver and driver. I will add that. Then I have to add the clue with the engine. For engine, the clue is convert the chemical energy into the mechanical energy. That I copied from here and pasting it here. Last one is the shaft. For shaft, my clue is transmit the power. So that clue I am adding. So my job of adding the clues with each word is over. That is very important in the crossword. I am clicking OK. Do you want to save the changes to this clue that currently showing? Yes. I will say yes. Whatever the clues I have added. So I want to save this database JC1. JCross 1. I have saved it. Now after saving, you have to configure, you have to do some settings. Appearance, you can change the navigation bar color. I will go for this ash color. Background color, I will change that with the yellow. Title color, I will go with the dark mode. Then exercise background, I will change it light. Yes. Link and visited link color I will keep as it is. Letter color I have changed. Important is timing. How much time you want to give? I want to give 1 minute only. So that I have set here, and this is the last setting that you have to do. That is CGI setting, in which student can enter by roll number or name, anything. Okay, my now JCross quiz is ready. So I will save this file into HTML format. I will click that. It will ask me where to save, by what name, JCross. Okay. view this exercise. This exercise will be like this. I am going into exercise by clicking roll number. Okay. Now, when you click this exercise, user interface will be like this. Now, when you click on the one digit, the clues which I have entered with that particular that words that will appear here. Supporting machine element. If I don't know, I will click on hint. It is giving me key. It is 3 word letter. So immediately I will write here key and enter. Yes, it is right. Second, convert the chemical energy. I know this answer. I will write here engine. Enter. Third, I am clicking on the third digit. Parts with teeth. That I knows gear. Enter. Yes, it is gear. I am clicking on the number 4. It is asking transmit the power. So it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 word letter. So it is time is over. That's why it is showing I am able to only give the 3 answers. My score is 41%. So this exercise is over JCross. So remember that you have to give the time depends upon your exercise, how much it required, that time you have to provide. Now in this case, you have seen that only I able to give the answers of 3 crosswords, other 3 remain as it is. So that is less score I got here. So this is the J cross. Now last one is the that is the very important J quiz exercise. Now already I am giving the title JQuiz here, JQuiz 1. I am saving the database file JQ1. So I have saved. That is very important task. Now, in this JQuiz uh, platform, you can input the 4 types of questions: multiple choice, short answer, hybrid type, and multi-select. All 4 questions I am going to add in this exercise. I will start with the first one, that is the multiple choice. So the question number 1 is appearing here. You can go to the 2, 3, 4 like this by clicking the upward arrow. To come to downside, you have to click the down arrow. So my first question of the J quiz is, I'm copying this already. I have that. Paste it. Identify the non-machine elements. So here the answers you have to provide. So what I am going to do, I am providing here the pictures. Also insert the pictures. Already I have downloaded that picture. You can insert the picture from the web directly, or you can insert the picture from the your computer files, computer database. So I am inserting here one by one all machine element. I am inserting the first clutch. Here remember you have to change the to see the picture in your exercise, the proper size will width and height you have to adjust. I have given 150 and near about 120 that height should be. Where to arrange? At center, I will click that. You can arrange it to left, right, or none. Automatically it will take default. So I have arranged that picture should be at center. Okay, that gets added. So I can add the feedback here for clutch, which engages the power and disengages. That feedback I have added. Now second picture I have to insert here from local file. I am inputting that second picture. This is the gear I have given. I am not changing the size now. This is the third wheel. Third picture I am inserting here. That is the latch. It seems bigger size. I will make it it is not a machine element, right? Now I am inserting the last picture here. That will be this width and height I am adjusting. Okay, this is the belt drive. So my correct option for this question is this latch. I have to click that. My first question of multiple choice is over. In multiple choice only one option is right. So I have to give the second question. I will go to the second question of the short answer type. Now my second question is ready here. I will go for the identification of the question is identify the engine by seeing this video. So this is my question. I have inserted that question here. Now also I have to insert the video here. So where is that video? That course, how to generate that course, I am telling that here. You have to click on this already link I have copied here. I am clicking on that link. When I click on that link, it will directly take me to that YouTube video. Now in YouTube video, here the share option is there. You click on this share option. When you click on the share option, you will find that embed. You click on this embed option, their course will get generated. You just click on that course and copy that course. Once you copy that course, you come to your exercise of the quiz, you paste that course here. Now I have pasted. It seems here the width and height of that is more. I will make it smaller, 300 by 200. That frame should be. I have made here. Now my options are that engine is a petrol engine. I know that. So I am giving the options petrol engine. Second engine is diesel engine. Third is a steam engine. LPG. I know the correct answer. That is the short answer. I am clicking this. So I have clicked that correct answer. Related with that engines, if you want to give the feedback as we have given in the previous question that you have to write, that gives the extra knowledge to the student. So that second question is ready. Now I'll go for the third one. Third question I am going to with the hybrid one. Now what is this hybrid question? I will tell you. I will just copy the question, copy this question, paste it here. I have pasted. The question is spark plug is used in which engine? My options are petrol engine, diesel engine, steam engine, or gas engine. Now here, my correct answer, I know it's correct answer, spark plug is used with petrol engine. Now, unlike other two questions, here another option is one, include in MC options. It means whenever learner gives the incorrect answer twice, this hybrid question will directly convert into the your multiple choice. Multiple choice, first type category, that is multiple choice. That is the meaning of that. So my options are ready. As usually, if you want to give the feedback, you can give the feedback here. So this third question is also ready. Now last question I want to add here, that is the multi-select type. My question is ready here. I am selecting that multi-choice question. Identify the power transmitting elements. I am copying the question from here and just pasting here. So my question is ready. Identify. Here I want to insert the pictures from the already available files. Change the size 150. Second, I want to give this one, changing the width and height. Third one, third picture I am inserting here on my database. Shaft. So I am changing the height and width. And fourth one, now I have inserted all the pictures which are power transmitting. So my all options are correct because this is multi-select. All options may be right. Two option may be right. That depends upon the how you are selecting, choosing your question. So this is the multi-select. My exercise is ready. I have saved it. Now I am saving this in HTML format. I have to just click it. Before that, I have to configure that whatever the instruction and subtitle you have to do. Change the appearance. I will change the appearance of the that navigation bar. Page background, I will keep it yellow. Then title color, I will go for the dark one, right? Then exercise background color, I will go with the faint one. Link color, I will keep as it is. Text color, I will change to the dark mode. So easily it can be visible. Another timing you have to set. Here I want to give the set, click the set timing. 3 minutes or 4 minutes I want to give here, and I am clicking it. Okay. Before that you have to set this. Student can enter with the roll number. Okay, my exercise is ready now. I am clicking on this. When I click it, it asks me name of the file and where to save. Save it. When I save it, my exercise will open here. Now you can see all the questions together or one by one you can solve. So identify the known machine element. This is my first question. So by seeing this, I will click my first answer. This is okay, I got the 100. Now I will go to the second question. My second question is depends upon this video. After seeing this video, I will be able to answer this question. So question is identify the engine. So in this question, student will see the video first. By seeing that video, he will be able to answer the question. Here my two objectives are getting here. One is by seeing this video, student is getting the full process of that petrol engine, and he will be able to answer the question, that is, it is a petrol engine. So I have given the answer. Check. Yes, I got the 100%. My second question is over. Third one, my time is running. Spark plug is used in which engine? That already you have seen. It is used in petrol engine. I have given that answer. Yes. Okay. Now fourth question. Identify the power transmitting devices. All are the power transmitting. Intentionally, I will not click this, even though it is, I am learner, I don't know the answer correctly. I will check, my score will get reduced. Okay, I will check it. click, I got the 87% because twice I have not clicked it, so it is giving the hint me. So this is the your JQuiz exercise. Now after having all exercise, what is that JMashar? I will tell you that JMashar, whatever the database file you have saved, that all the platform quizzes, all the exercises created in different platform that you can bring into the one umbrella in JMashar. So how you will bring that? You can bring it in the JMashar. You have to just click the JMashar. You will have this new user interface. Now here, add the files which you want to. These are the database files. You select Shift, select the all files. All the files are selected. Open it. OK to all. All files will get added here. Now save this mesher file also. I will say it JMash1. This is the database file of JMash. It gets saved in my folder. Now I have to create the unit by using all this file. You just go down here, you can see the build unit is there. You click on that build unit. Now it will create the my JMashar file. It is clubbing all the files together. Yes, do you want to view it? Yes, I want to view it. This is my JMashar. You start with the closer, then quiz, then cross, match. All the exercises are together. Now here you might be thinking how it is not asked to enter the roll number, because for JMeasure also you have to configure all the things. So this is my first file. Here it is asking because I have given this for all the platforms. So it is asking by inputting your roll number, you can start your exercise. Give here your options, hands, mask. You have seen this video. Yes, my exercise is okay. Next. Yes, this exercise. Give the answers. This is the answer. Okay. Then go to the next. Yes. Fill in the blanks. Already we have done this. So in this way, in Measure, you can have all the exercises together. In short, your this hot potato is very important and useful tool for having the interactive teaching learning process to create the different exercises for your engineering subject or language subject or any subject it is useful. So with this, I conclude my session. If you have any doubt, you can ask the doubts. Thank you. Thank you very much.